What hurts the most is being so 每一直和你分开，每一直 kiss you goodbye。 Tonight might be the first time I attempt to do wild camping. I see a lot of spots here. I just need to make sure that I'm prepared and ready. I've got enough food, I've got enough water, and I'm pretty sure you can find some spots to use as a toilet here. Heading to Geiranger right now, or Geiranger. I keep saying Geiranger. And I'm supposed to go from here, zigzag. It's a very weird road where it zigzags all over the mountain. And I think I'm supposed to go down there, which looks absolutely, again, amazing. And you also have this rapid river running through here into the town. Yep, you go into the town and through town, going out into the fjord. So here's what happened. I did a bit of math in my head and figured that it doesn't make sense to park here for sightseeing and do some activities here and then drive back up to the mountains, because parking per hour here costs 50 kroner and per night it's only 350 kroner, and I don't have to worry about facilities. So there you go. No wild camping again. And I can wake up to the view of the fjord and the mountains right here. This parking spot is called, no, this camping spot is called Geiranger's Geiranger. Probably butchering that again. Geiranger camping. This is the river that runs through Geiranger town, and it's the river that comes from a waterfall from up there, which you can hike to, and it flows into the fjords over there. And you can see that there are a couple of hiking trails there. I'm just gonna do a random one today, maybe the one that's 3.8 kilometers. That looks relatively short. And yeah, you just follow this sign and follow the river. And you can access this through Geiranger camping, which is at the bottom of the village. I'm pretty sure I'm at a trailhead right now because this is going up, and I'm just following some people around too. Yeah. Simple dirt road, but it's a really beautiful walk up. Okay, so now we've come to the official trailhead, if you will, which are these staircases. It says 372 steps to go all the way up to the Norway Fjord Center. I can already feel the spray of the waterfall, so I wouldn't want to be in there right now. And that was only the first part of the waterfall. It goes quite a number of tiers and eventually comes down here. And here's the top of the waterfall.
If you like my content, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help my channel greatly.
I thought I was at the top of the waterfall, but no, it kind of continues on. on this walkway, so maybe I'm not done with the 372 steps yet. I think I'm going on this trail, and then there's another one that says 3 kilometers. Storseiterfossen. So what you do is you just follow the signs at the town center, and they will all point you to the trailhead, which is here. It's a pretty steep hike up from down there, but you come across these amazing viewpoints here where you can just sit down and chill and relax. Okay, this hike is only 3 kilometers, but it's pretty much straight up, so the view better be worth it. I'm also gonna jinx myself by saying this, but I was told by the locals that this weather is like freaky. It's not supposed to be like this right now. It's supposed to rain every day, but it hasn't, and that's why some of the waterfalls that I've been going to, you know, in other parts of Norway have been dry. And here you can see some houses dotting the mountains, which look really cute. Turns out that I'll be also walking through a farm. It's called Vesterås, and it has existed since the 17th century. And this is actually the starting point for a lot of hikes in this area. I think these are actually now like hotel rooms or hotel cabins that you can rent. Okay, what is this guy doing? Honestly, it feels like the trail never ends. It's just literally a steep climb up, but I think I'm really near now. I can hear the waterfall from here. I see it now, and you probably can hear it from here too. That's the waterfall right there. Oh, holy shit. Look at that. Alright, done with this hike. I have to say this waterfall hike is worth it. It's a steep uphill climb all the way, but then you get this magnificent view and this really beautiful waterfall that you can see, and it's so powerful and clear. It's a really pretty blue beetle. Not sure if you can see on camera, but he's really a nice shiny blue. Not sure what it is. Anyone knows? Drop a comment. As soon as I opened my big mouth, it started raining. It's more like a drizzle right now, but yeah, there's still water coming down from the sky. Anyway, done with the hike, so I'm fine. Worst case scenario, I'll just camp in my van the whole night. I also have a problem here because every day I've been eating ice cream and sampling different types of potato chips here. That's Geiranger Fjord, which is fantastic, and there's the village. So if I haven't done a fjord safari already in Geirangerfjord, I would be tempted to do one here as well, because they offer the same rib safari at Geirangerfjord. So I think if you haven't done it, worth checking out, going on a cruise, or better yet, one of the rib fjord safaris here. But for me, the highlight of this place was actually the waterfall hike, and seeing the waterfall run through the mountains from glacial melt through town and all the way into the fjord. I think that's something that you don't really see every day. So here I am on the boardwalk, right next to the port, and it's really a really tiny village. Like if you walk straight through, it'll take you barely 3 minutes to walk past all the shops in this village. But they're quite cute little shops selling various things. Some are souvenirs, some are smaller restaurants. Like this is a souvenir shop. So there's a row of smaller little shops selling various things. A lot of outdoor stores here as well. Like the shop I was in just now was basically an outdoor store selling hiking equipment. Now here's a fun activity. There are these talking little cars that you can rent, and you can drive them around town. You know, if I wasn't unemployed, I would consider it, because it is 2200 NOK for 2 hours. And that's like $200. I don't know, I'm just loosely converting the NOK into dollars. Yeah, that's about $200, I think. So maybe not. That looks like a bored little doggy.
And that, my friends, is why you shouldn't talk about the weather, because it has started raining on and off, and that's why I'm in my raincoat. But I'm gonna be cooking anyway, so this is my apron too. So today we're gonna make mackerel pasta. So I've done this before at home, where I think the Italians, oh my god, the Italians are gonna curse at me now, but the Italians do a pasta with sardines, so I've done that before. And canned mackerel and canned sardines are kind of the same thing, and it's a similar tomato-based sauce as well. So my pasta, can of stubborn mackerel in tomato sauce, tomato and basil, I think. And then just to give it a bit more taste, I've got a creamy tomato base and salt and pepper.
Now the sauce kind of looks like that. I'm also kind of hungry now, so while I wait for this to boil, I'm gonna have a quick snack or an appetizer, the sild that I bought yesterday. Cheers. That is so good. Check the pasta. And I'm just gonna, I'm sorry Italians, just gonna dump my veggies in. Then you just give it a mix. Alrighty, pasta's done. Now for the grand reveal. Look at that. It's creamy, it's glistening. Oh yeah, that is good. And I have my mackerel, my protein, my veggies, and my carbs all in one convenient mess tin. That's just it. I didn't use any other pan or pot or anything, and I came up with this.